A broom?
Yep.
Okay. Can you hit
Ian,
your
don't get in
broom?
the camera. Watch out. Okay, what?
Can you hit your broom? Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Can you drop your item on the ground?
I swear I heard Kyler come over here.
Yeah, he was.
Where did he go?
Wait, what's your item?
A chicken.
That does not sound like a chicken. Okay. Alright. I guess that does
Can
sound like
you
Alright.
lick your item?
Okay. Alright, I did it.
Okay.
I licked the top of it. Boy, the timer's gonna run out thing. Can you throw your item in the air and let it drop on the ground?
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay, for one, that does not sound like a chicken. But I actually do think you're telling the truth. Do you think I'm telling the truth?
What?
Do you think I'm telling the truth? I do not think you're telling the truth.
I do not think you're telling the truth.
You do not?
I don't.
Are you locked in with that answer?
Yes.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, walk out. Bye.